Hey guys, how to get rid of the hiccup. How to get rid of the hiccups. Hey, you want 1 glass of water, so like up to here. So drink it. Don't like swallow it. Hold it in your mouth. Put your hands together like that, and spin 6 times. And then swallow it. Now you do not have the hiccups. That's how you get rid of hiccups. Bye.